A jury trial is still at least more than a year away for the man charged with the murder of Elwood police officer Noah Shahnavaz.
But there are several legal issues that still have to be decided before this trial even begins, including whether Carl Boards could face the death penalty.
Rich Nye was in court today in Madison County for the latest hearing.
Most of Tuesday's hearing was spent with the defense arguing for more time and more access for Carl Boards to review the evidence against him. One of the defense attorneys suggested that at the current rate, his client would not be ready for a trial until 2036.
Carl Boards headed back to the Miami Correctional Facility after the judge tripled the amount of time each week. The Boards will have access to the law library at the state prison. Judge Andrew Hopper ordered Boards be allowed to visit the law library up to 12 hours a week to review discovery in his case, some of which is digital data requiring the use of a computer. The judge also ordered that Boards be allowed to have any written documents in the case with him in his cell. But the judge specifically mandated that about 250 autopsy photos of Elwood police officer Noah Shahnavaz can only be viewed in the law library. The officer's father, the Elwood police chief, and other officers attended the hearing. The judge is still seeking out evaluators for the next 45 days who will determine if Boards has an intellectual disability. That could remove the death penalty from this case. The judge denied a motion for Boards to appear in court in regular handcuffs rather than higher security shackles.
The next court hearing is set for November 6th. As of right now, Carl Boards' trial for the murder of Noah Shahnavaz is scheduled for January of 2025. In Anderson, Rich Nye, 13 News.
Rich, thank you. The defense is also asking for a change of venue in this high-profile case, but the judge has said he will not rule on that until a much closer time of the trial date.